Hello, in this video we are going to talk about ePathshala app. So here I will tell you about how to use this app and what are its benefits. So we will install the app from Play Store, ePathshala app. So basically it is an app that has information and educational resources for parents, students, teachers, educators and the researchers too. So when the app is installed, we will open this. Here we have to choose the language. I will go for English. So here are the information for students, teachers, parents and educators for whom. Now here entering any name, the school name. I will go for Apex Public School. And material required for NCERT, then the standard. I will take 8th class and language selection English. Now we have to tap on this red button. Here we have two options, ebooks and the audio video. So ebooks are the NCERT books for that level we have chosen. So here all the subjects are presented to you: English, mathematics, social science, science and pre-vocational subjects. So we will see English. We have the option for downloading all the chapters at once and the chapters individually. So I will go for the individual chapter, downloading it. Here you can see at the option My Book we have one. So clicking there, we can read the book like turning the pages and in the PDF form too, and we can read the book offline too. Now going back, we can have information for the teachers, parents and educators too. So, and the next option was audio video. So here you will get the audio or videos according to your search. So here we will search like integration. We want videos in English and for the senior secondary level. If we search, we will get the information about integration, the material we have to get. Like this, you can fetch information for teachers too. Here you have 4 options: teaching instructions, curriculum resource, for parents and for the educators. This is how this app is used. Thank you.